Crash course on Costa Rica. Overview on its ecotourism and stunning natural landscapes. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on Costa Rica, a country renowned for its commitment to ecotourism and breathtaking natural landscapes. In this article, we will explore the wonders of Costa Rica, delve into its unique approach to sustainable tourism, and highlight the top 12 attractions that make this country a must-visit destination. Get ready to be inspired by fascinating stories and examples that showcase the beauty and diversity of Costa Rica's natural treasures. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Imagine walking through a mystical forest engulfed in clouds. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve offers a unique experience where visitors can explore an enchanting ecosystem filled with rare plants, vibrant birds, and elusive wildlife. It's a paradise for nature lovers and a testament to Costa Rica's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. 2. Manuel Antonio National Park. Picture yourself strolling along pristine beaches fringed by lush rainforests. Manuel Antonio National Park is a jewel on Costa Rica's Pacific coast, teeming with wildlife and offering breathtaking views. From spotting playful monkeys to encountering colorful tropical birds, this park is a testament to the country's dedication to conservation. 3. Arenal Volcano. Discover the awe-inspiring power of nature at Arenal Volcano, one of the world's most active volcanoes until 2010. The sight of the majestic volcano against the backdrop of a verdant landscape is a reminder of the Earth's raw beauty. Visitors can enjoy hot springs, hike through lava fields, or witness volcanic activity from a safe distance. 4. Tataguero National Park. Embark on a journey to the Caribbean coast and witness one of the most incredible natural phenomena, the nesting of sea turtles. Tataguero National Park provides a protected sanctuary for several species of sea turtles, including the endangered green turtle. Visitors can witness the nesting process and learn about conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. Top 12 attractions in Costa Rica. 1. Corcovado National Park. A biodiverse wonderland, Corcovado National Park is home to an incredible array of wildlife, including jaguars, tapirs, and scarlet macaws. Explore its pristine rainforests and coastal areas for an unforgettable adventure. 2. Poas Volcano. Poas Volcano offers a dramatic volcanic landscape, featuring a turquoise crater lake and breathtaking views. Visitors can hike to the summit and witness the powerful forces of nature up close. 3. Tamarindo. Known for its stunning beaches and vibrant surf culture, Tamarindo is a popular destination for sun-seekers and water sports enthusiasts. Enjoy the waves, explore nearby national parks, or simply relax on the pristine sandy shores. 4. La Fortuna Waterfall. Cascading from a height of 75 meters, 246 feet, into a natural pool, La Fortuna Waterfall is a sight to behold. Visitors can hike through lush forests to reach this majestic waterfall and take a refreshing swim in its crystal-clear waters. 5. Montezuma. A bohemian beach town nestled on the Nicoya Peninsula, Montezuma offers a laid-back atmosphere, picturesque beaches, and a vibrant art scene. Explore waterfalls, indulge in yoga retreats, and immerse yourself in the town's artistic spirit. 6. Cahuita National Park. Located on the Caribbean coast, Cahuita National Park is a haven for marine life. Snorkel or dive in its coral reefs, spot colorful fish and sea turtles, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the underwater world. 7. Rincón de la Vieja National Park. This volcanic wonderland features bubbling mud pots, geothermal hot springs, and captivating hiking trails. Explore its unique ecosystem and indulge in rejuvenating mud baths and natural hot springs. 8. Monteverde. Known as the Green Lung of Costa Rica, Monteverde is a cloud forest paradise. Walk across hanging bridges, spot rare bird species, and experience the mystical ambiance of this unique ecosystem. 9. Puerto Viejo de Talamanca. A vibrant coastal town on the Caribbean side, Puerto Viejo de Talamanca offers a mix of Afro-Caribbean culture, stunning beaches, and a vibrant nightlife. Explore the town's colorful streets, enjoy water sports, and savor delicious Caribbean cuisine. 10. Tortuga Island. Located in the Gulf of Nicoya, Tortuga Island boasts pristine white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and abundant marine life. Take a boat tour, snorkel, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. 11. Palo Verde National Park. Experience the beauty of Costa Rica's wetlands at Palo Verde National Park. Take a boat tour along the Tempisque River and observe a vast array of bird species, crocodiles, and other wildlife. 12. San Jose. Costa Rica's capital city, San Jose, offers a blend of history, culture, and urban attractions. Explore museums, visit the iconic National Theatre, and indulge in the city's vibrant culinary scene. Summarization. Costa Rica's commitment to ecotourism and its stunning natural landscapes make it a captivating destination for travelers seeking adventure, biodiversity, and sustainable experiences. From the cloud forests of Monteverde to the pristine beaches of Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica offers a diverse range of attractions that cater to every traveler's preferences. Through conservation efforts and responsible tourism practices, Costa Rica has become a role model for ecotourism worldwide. Poem. In Costa Rica's land, where nature's beauty thrives, ecotourism blooms, a sanctuary that strives. From misty cloud forests to turquoise shores, a tapestry of wonders, nature freely pours. Monteverde's mystique, a world in the clouds. Rare plants and birds, enchantment that shrouds. Manuel Antonio, where rainforests embrace. Playful monkeys and beaches, a harmonious space. Arenal volcano, its power unconfined. Lava fields and hot springs, a sight to remind. Tatagueros beaches, where sea turtles tread. Conservation's embrace, their future to be led. Corcovado's wilderness, a wildlife's delight. Jaguars, tapirs, macaws, a vibrant sight. Poa's volcano's crater, a turquoise surprise. Nature's grandeur, unveiled to our eyes. Tamarindo's waves, a surfer's paradise. Beachside bliss and sunsets, nature's own device. La Fortuna's waterfall, majestic and pure. A paradise of water, a moment to endure. Montezuma's bohemia, artistic and free. Waterfalls and yoga, a soul's jubilee. Cahuita's coral reefs, where colors thrive. Snorkel in paradise, where sea turtles dive. Rincón de la Vieja, a volcanic retreat. Geothermal wonders, nature's own beat. Monteverde's allure, a cloud forest's embrace. Hanging bridges and birds, a mystical space. Puerto Viejo's rhythm, Caribbean delight. Culture and beaches, day and night. Tortuga Island's charm, sandy beaches so white. Marine treasures await, a pure delight. Palo Verde's wetlands, a birdwatcher's dream. Crocodiles and nature, a vibrant stream. San Jose's heritage, a capital's grace. Theater and cuisine, a cultural embrace. Costa Rica's allure, a haven for the soul. Where ecotourism thrives, nature takes control. Explore its wonders, with hearts open wide. A journey to remember, with nature as our guide. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica's embrace, where nature's wonders unfold. A symphony of beauty, a story waiting to be told. From misty cloud forests to the turquoise sea. Costa Rica's treasures, for all the world to see. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, land of ecotourism's grace. A sanctuary of nature, a magical embrace. With mountains and volcanoes, beaches so pristine. Costa Rica's landscapes, a traveler's dream. Verse 2. Monteverde's enchantment, where clouds dance with trees. Manuel Antonio's splendor, where wildlife roams free. Arenal's fiery passion, a volcano's majestic roar. Tatagueros sea turtles, nesting on the shore. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, land of ecotourism's grace. A sanctuary of nature, a magical embrace. With mountains and volcanoes, beaches so pristine. Costa Rica's landscapes, a traveler's dream. Bridge. From Corcovado's rainforests to Poa's turquoise lake. Tamarindo's waves and La Fortuna's waterfalls break. Montezuma's bohemian spirit, Cahuita's coastal delight. Rincón de la Vieja's geothermal might. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, land of ecotourism's grace. A sanctuary of nature, a magical embrace. With mountains and volcanoes, beaches so pristine. Costa Rica's landscapes, a traveler's dream. Outro. So come and explore, Costa Rica's allure. With every step, a connection to nature pure. Plan your adventure. Let the journey unfold. In Costa Rica's embrace, memories untold. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.